Being on America's Got Talent has completely changed the direction of our lives. We're normal, everyday people. Like, I was a teacher, Mason was a student, Cordero was a lawyer, and Kendall was a grocery store clerk.
Oh, it's you, I know.
Dreams do come true.
You're the one.
I'm getting to the point of believing that more and more, that dreams really do come true.
I am just overwhelmed with gratitude for this experience and for having these guys in my life. And even thinking about it right now is like, gosh.
How will I know if you really love me?
This means so much. These guys are some of the most beautiful individuals I've ever met. And these guys have become like my brothers. I am just so grateful. So grateful that this happened.
You really love me.
Give us 1 second. Let's go. Thank God.
How can you see into my eyes like open doors, leading you down into my core, where I've become so numb? Wake me up inside, wake me up inside, call my name and save me from the dark. Bid my blood to run before I come undone. Save me from the nothing I've become. Frozen inside without your touch, without your love, darling. Only you are the life among the Call my name and save me from the dark. Bid my blood to run before I come undone. Save me from the nothing I
Another standing ovation for Sons of Serendip. Wow. Heidi, you're still clapping for these guys.
Yet another great performance, you guys. And I feel like we always talk about your beautiful voice, but I do want to give some props to the rest of the band. You guys are stellar musicians, really good. And I wish you all good luck because it's a really tough decision tonight for America. But you guys were awesome. Love you guys.
Mel B.
Well, look at you crying like a baby. You know what, rightly so, we actually get to see how involved you are and how much this means to you. All four of you, week in, week out, hands down, have just killed it. And we can feel your passion and emotion. I want to buy your album right now.
Me too.
Right now.
Me too.
Howie.
You know, again, you said in the package how grateful, you're so emotional, how grateful you are to have this opportunity. It doesn't compare to how grateful we are to witness your opportunity, how grateful America is to hear your talent, and how grateful it would be if they got on the phones and voted for you. Thank you so much for doing what you do.
Howard.
You know, guys, part of the nice thing about being in the finale right now, we can kind of sit back as judges and be cheerleaders for you. And you guys deserve to have America as cheerleaders because You've done an incredible job. You just did a song by Evanescence, and you got me thinking, what happened to them anyway, you know? And where'd they go? But you did such a beautiful take on that. You know, that song's a little bit heavier in places when they do it, and you guys took it and made your own arrangement, and you did it so well. You're such super talents. Congratulations on being in the finals. This is too close to call. There is no way we can call this. I don't know who's going to win.
Yeah.
First time, I don't know.
Such an amazing and unique song. What made you guys pick this for the finals?
We feel like it's a song that we can all relate to. We've all had those moments where we just, we need help or whatever. But, we put a lot of hard work into our performances and a lot of love into everything that we do. And we hope that you guys can feel that.
We hope they can as well. You heard him. He said, "We all need help. They need your help right now."